If you want to eject SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy A17, then first of all, we need to prepare the SIM eject tool that you can find inside the box. Now over here on the left side of the phone, you should be able to find the SIM tray with this little hole over here. And of course, we need to insert our eject tool into this hole like this, and then use a little bit of force in order to push it in so that the SIM tray pops out and it looks like this. Now use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. Finally, we have removed our SIM tray. It looks like this. And now we can insert our SIM card, for example. It is of course quite loose, so we need to be careful when inserting SIM cards and memory cards. And in this case, we have the hybrid slot over here. So you can either use the second SIM card here in this spot. Let's see if I can actually make it work. There we go. This one is not that loose, so that's great. And of course, instead of the second SIM card, we can also use a memory card, which I believe, actually I just dropped it by accident. I'm just gonna insert it back in just in a sec. So I believe this is the correct way to insert the memory card. Yeah, there we go. This one is quite solid. So let's also insert the SIM card here. There we go. And then once you insert everything, you can just put it back into the phone. Make sure that it doesn't stick out because you might have troubles with inserting it back into the phone. And just slide it in, push it with your finger. And I have to remove it to fix the memory card. There we go, now it should be in. And yeah, we have inserted. Make sure that you can actually insert the SIM tray back into the phone fully. It doesn't stick out or anything. If it does and you cannot close it, then of course you just have to fix your cards over here inside. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.